Looking for a measuring spoon set that combines precision with convenience? The KitchenAid 5-piece measuring spoon set delivers exactly that, making your cooking and baking experience smoother and more accurate. Whether you're measuring wet or dry ingredients, this set covers all your needs with clear markings and a smart design that keeps your kitchen organized. What sets this set apart? It includes 5 essential spoons: 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, 1/2 tablespoon, 7. 4 milliliters, 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters, 1/2 teaspoon, 2. 5 milliliters, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1. 25 milliliters. The inclusion of the 1/2 tablespoon is a thoughtful touch that many other sets miss, saving you from awkward conversions. Each spoon shows measurements in both standard and metric units, so you can follow any recipe without second-guessing. Plus, the spoons nest neatly and stay together on a ring, so you won't lose track of any piece in your drawer or kitchen. Using these spoons feels effortless. The silicone backing provides a comfortable grip, making scooping and leveling ingredients easier. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just toss them in the dishwasher without worrying about damage or fading. Many users appreciate how well these spoons pair with KitchenAid measuring cups, creating a cohesive, reliable set for all their kitchen tasks. If you're someone who values accuracy and ease in the kitchen, this set is worth a look. It's designed to make measuring ingredients straightforward and mess-free, so you can focus on what really matters, creating delicious meals and treats. The thoughtful design, durable materials, and user-friendly features make this an essential tool for both beginners and seasoned cooks. Ready to upgrade your measuring game? The KitchenAid 5-piece measuring spoon set offers reliable measurements, easy storage, and dishwasher-safe convenience all in one package. Try it when you're ready to bring more precision and simplicity to your cooking routine.